Welcome to my YouTube channel and I hope you will be fine today. Today in this video we will discuss few topics. We will be organize small home garden at home. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel. Let's move to our today topic. First option is set up a gardening station. Create a spot dedicated to potting and trimming your outdoor plants at the best part. This table is made from a few galvanized barrels and an old wooden door. Second is boil a pellet garden. Attach clay pots to a pallet with nails and stainless steel cable ties for a living art display that keeps your rosemary and basil at the ready. Space out the pots so your plants have room to grow. Next is fill a pergola with greens. Grow your garden vertically by trailing plants up the sides of a pergola fence or outdoor wall. English white potatoes and Russian vines are a few great choices. Next, crop colorful plants markers. Keep your garden organized so harvesting remains quick and easy. Craft your own plants makers using wooden paints, sticks and some acrylic paint. Added bonus, this is the perfect craft for kids. Next is turn a barrel into a pond. Make use of an old whiskey barrel and create your own backyard pond. A great alternative if you don't have space for a real one. Add your water plants, lily pads, of course, and even a few small fish. Next is vibrant chairs. Outfitting a small space does not mean you have to settle for drab furniture. The bigger the better is the way to go to bring your outdoor area to life. Turn cylinders into planters. Hang spring flowers in brightly colored cylinders for an unexpected porch updated. Create a living wall. If you don't have floor space to display your plants, mount pots onto the exterior of your house. Have interior designer irrigation sticks with terracotta pots. But you can also go for more patterns and colors. Embrace container gardening. Green up your patio or deck with oversized terracotta or plastic planters overflowing with anything from tomatoes to window wildflowers. The lush lineup here creates a pretty privacy wall. Optional for a vertical wall garden. Whether you have a small yard or lack outdoor space, altogether a vertical garden can be a charming addition. You can create one on your own with landscape fabric and copper pipe. Try square foot gardening. This highly efficient method divides raised beds into a grid. Vegetables then get planted in one or more squares at a density based on plant size. You had planted about 6 radish seeds per square, but only one tomato plant. DIY a double function with just a few supplies, including a submersible pump, a waterproof pot, and decorative river rocks. You can make your garden more zen with an eye-catching DIY bubble function. Put up a vertical planter. Note one only does this DIY take up less surface area than multiple pots on the ground wall, but it can also serve as a privacy fence for nosy neighbors. Assemble an herb garden. There's something special about an orderly display of potted plants, especially when they are in vibrant colors that showcase the beauty of the season. Upcycle an old ladder. Turn a wooden ladder into a space-saving stand for flowers, veggies, and herbs with just a few boards and a coat of paint. Let climbing vines take over. Covered with ivy, a frail-free fence acts as a natural privacy barrier to shield a patio or garden from view. Make a fairy garden. Think small, really small with this adorable project, outfitted with a mini birdhouse, rustic stones, and tiny accessories. This planter is a fun crop to make these kids. Hang outdoor lighting. Elevate any outdoor gathering with globe-stirring lights, whether you choose to hang them on a fence or under pergola. We propose shutters. Bring the word old or new against an exterior wall and fill slots with hardy plants such as succulents or mosses. Succulents are nearly indestructible but can get scorched in direct sunlight, so put them on the shady side of your home. Use a bird bath as a succulent garden. Hardy succulents which store water in their stems and leaves will thrive in a shallow bird bath perch. Add pebbles to hold more moisture in the soil. Make the most of combining planting. Placing flowers and veggies together in the same beds does not just save space, it will help boost your yields and keep plants happy by attracting more pollinators. To create contrast with terracotta pots transformed in expensive galvanized steel washed up into planters. This long oval vision with narrowing drain holes pocket in the bottom shows off a basil core. Fill furniture with plants. This clever table works hard for your yard. Not only is it a neat way to showcase plants, but it's also a nice spot to place your book as you sip lemonade. And the end of this video, please guys, subscribe my channel and leave a comment for our better guideline. Watching a full video. Thank you so much. God bless you. Before starting a video, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and tell how you watch my videos. Guys, first is showpieces. Showpieces are one of the best decoration pieces for home that instantly bring out a makeover in your office. Showpieces and artifacts are style statements that reflect your personality, whether it is trouble or flora and fauna, home figures, or anything that you can relate to. One can find showpieces and artifacts in various materials such as ceramic, metal, wood, glass, plastic, and porcelain, which has a distinct charm to entice you and your guests and elevate your home decor to the next level. Guys, second is vases. Nothing can match a beautiful shiny vase, standing tall and radiating beauty and charm in your personal house. Primarily used to hold flowers and plants. Yes, a vase that has the characteristic of leading a stylish appeal to any space. Vases can come in various styles such as picture vase, cube vase, mason jars, sculptural vase, and cylindrical vase. Vases make your sanctuary more inviting and appealing. Don't miss out on an array of different ways. Guys, third is wall art. One of the best decorative pieces in the home decoration items list is revamping your walls with pretty walls painting. Painting is an expression of your emotions and personality. As a painting complementing your interiors and your performance is like installed in your home decoration at world. One can find a wide range of paintings in all sizes in acrylic, watercolors, and oil paints, depicting and fauna, religious landscapes, still life, and so on. Guys, please subscribe my channel and press the icon and tell while watching video. Guys, fourth is decorative plates. When we talk about home accessories, decorative plates are quite in fashion with their quirky designs and visual appeal. Whether we talk about wall decorative plates or decorative plates with a stands, there are a number of themes and designs available at You can go for next is wall essence. Guys, fifth is wall essence. Wall essence are nothing but executive pieces of decoration items that can be hung on walls, irradiating sophistication. Wall essence are like windows to the world of beauty and magic, transforming your home just being a utilization of extraordinary one can find an area of wall essence. Sixth is photo frame. Photo frames are the best ways to display your most treasured moment about from serving as gorgeous home accessories. Let your happiest moment and special days or adorn your home, spreading joy. Seventh is mirrors. Can you imagine a house without a mirror? As mirrors are an inevitable part of your our home, then why not accessories your home with gorgeous looking mirrors instead of being for the average ones? Guys, eighth is clocks. Yes, clocks are primarily used to see the time, but who says they are not home decor? Worth large wall clock are unique decorative item and all the assets way to ornament your home without putting in much effort. Guys, ninth is artificial plants. Guys, the whimsical fox plants can add so much charm to your home and home accessories just like the real ones. Whether you talk about the therapeutic opulence of fox, hanging vines, and fox tulip sticks, artificial plants spread a distinct charm and aura in the space around you. They are your best style accessories of trendy stuff, tucking you close to Mother Earth and bringing the loveliness of spring everywhere. Guys, last is idols. Idols are the most religious ways of decoration your home in style and elegance. It is quite common to see an idol and laughing without a without meditation or Ganesha in the entrance of your house, as they are not only an element of home decoration but also a beautiful source of tranquility and positive vibes in the house. Guys, at the end of this video, please subscribe my channel.